Everyone, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah, where we talk about planners and self-care. Today's video is a kind of reset self-care, but mainly I'm going to reset my desk here. I have a lot of Christmas stuff that I want to put away and just reset my planning space and just get me in a better mindset to come and plan. So this is my current status of my space area, and I want to get rid of all the Christmas things. So let's jump into this video. If this is something that interests you, then keep on watching. Here's Pumpkin. He is very needy this morning. I think because the kids went back to school and he's being camera shy, but he wants so much attention. Get distracted. He's gonna want my attention so much. Oh, this bag I got for Christmas, and I'm using it as a planner bag that I carry up and down to the main floor, you know, family space. And he's chewing on the chair. So anyways, I'm going to change this out, put some things away in my studio, and just get things rolling. I have all these Christmas washies that I need to put up, Santa Claus mug, all this Christmas stuff here, meal planner. This is actually done, except for the back. It's just extra stuff for like special occasion planning, but I use this quite a bit. So I don't know if I want to keep this. This is actually my second one. I may want to just throw that away. I don't know. Sometimes I like to look back. But so then this organizer, I'm gonna try this new thing where I pick a color, and that's how I'm gonna use at my stash. That's how I'm gonna pick a theme just to plan with and just stick with a color and not just pick a bunch of themes and spreads to come up with. I'm just gonna see how this color sticks. So I hope that makes sense. Let me go ahead and get this going. Okay, here's a look at my desk, all clean except for my little Erin Condren calendar and my little faux plant. So now I'm going to go ahead and figure out how I want this set. I'm going to do something new and different because I like to change things up. Okay, this is what I'm working with so far, but this Erin Condren bag that I just bought, they came out with like new cute organizers. Of course, you can use it for anything, but it is fabric. So just be aware of that if cleanness purposes, like if you use makeup or something. But I thought this would be cute on my desk because you guys know I moved my space and now this is in my bedroom, and I didn't want it to be a lots of color. I do share this with my husband or whatever. I don't know. I just want it to be more low-key, and you know what I mean? Because it's a little large. You can see how much it stands right there. Actually, that's where my washi stand's gonna go, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what this looks like. I mean, it's a really cute organizer. I'm still gonna keep this, and it has like the pop of color on the inside, which I really love, but I just wanted something more neutral. They did have other colors, but it was like pattern, and this matches my house decor better. Whether or not what I'm gonna do with this now, because it's huge. So I don't know, we'll see later, but I just wanted to show you guys an idea of what this is. I mean, it's nice if you have the space for it, or maybe you could put it on the side of your desk space or underneath your desk space, or take it with you on the go, take it with you in your car. Definitely like the idea for this product because it's really nice, and I'm very someone who likes to be organized. But this is what my desk space looks like so far. I'll have this area cleaned up so I can put my planners on. I'll have my agenda so far and my folio, my petite folio, once I get those petite planners in. And then I changed this up, and this has just all my tools in it, just essential planner tools. And then I want to use these little sticky note booklets. Here's my thing with this caddy. They don't have this caddy anymore, but I talked about this when this first came out, that the strap was so tiny, and it's really hard to figure out what to put in this space, because if I put other things in here, it just falls and slides because there's no divider. I wish there was another divider here, but it's just so open. These fit here, but this strap gets in the way because it's so low. but whatever. I have two of these. I liked these when they came out because they matched my house decor. So I have one here and then one downstairs in our family office space. And then back here I just have more tools and scissors. So this is kind of like my tool essential caddy with these little booklets, sticky note booklets. This one's upside down. So it doesn't look too bad because it just sticks behind the booklets. Then I have this cute little cup, Wake Up, Be Awesome, and Repeat. This has all my favorite black pens. So I love using mugs to organize all my planner pens. And then this space will be for washi, my washi stand. Once I go and reset that, I have to take everything out, put it back, and then get some new washi for the month. And then this little stand was meant for my iPad. Sometimes my iPad's here and sometimes not. Mainly I put my petite planner on here. And right now it's just housing this cute little notebook and some sticky notes. And then here's my new little pen marker organizer. I pulled all the blue pens. I have so many writing tools. We'll see how this sticks. This is gonna be work and putting these back where they go. So I'm gonna have to find a new system on how to keep all my pens organized once I go and, you know, put them back. Figure that out. It shouldn't be that hard to do this every month, but this is something that I want to try out this year, and we'll see if that works. And then I have this space over here for my desk pad. So let me go figure out the washi, and then we're going to talk about this organizer down here. Okay, here's a quick update on my stickers. I decided to do the stickers first before the washi. So this is what I did. I just pulled everything out that was strictly Christmas, and then I kept the sticker books that I could use that had blue stickers in it. This is how I'm going to test run this first. I am gonna have another sticker book that I'm gonna pull some other like daily icon stickers and maybe sort it by color. This is why I'm hesitant to do that, because that does take some time. You know, the reusable sticker books that you can place all your stickers, you take them off the sticker page and put them in the sticker books. I think I have one by Shine Sticker Studio. That's just gonna take work. I may have to do that more on the weekend. That's gonna have to be like a side project. So for now, I'm just going to grab sticker books that have whatever color that I'm choosing and then make it work. So that's what I did here. Instead of going and picking out new sticker books, if I have space, I will, once I go and put all these back, if I have space, I will add more sticker books to this. But just going over my stickers, I had just so many seasonal stickers. I didn't use like a handful of these. But what I have in here, or what I kept, is Planning Things Seasonal Vibes. A lot of her seasonal ones. This is Seasonal Fun. This is Houses and Trees because of the winter scenes. I'm still going to try to do winter in January because that's when it gets cold here for Southern California, but we don't really get a lot of snow in my area, but you know, up north you do. So her functional box stickers, and then, so you see how I have still space here, so we'll see what I want to do. And then this one has one page of like a nice blue January. Let's see if I can show you on the back, but because I'm filming this with one hand, I don't have like a tripod or something, and it doesn't. Okay, here it is. This is one page that it has some Christmas quotes, but I don't know, I think this is something I could use. So one page out of here. Okay, from Wrong, I kept Mom Life. Actually, I don't even know if Coffee Queen has a lot of blue in here. I wanted to keep this because I just love the theme of the sticker book. Oh yeah, there is some blue in here, so whatever, we'll keep that. Fitness. I'm trying to get back into wellness this year, guys. So if there's anything like relatable, but I'm not like doing a whole decorative theme. So this has more greens, neutrals, barely any blue. I think I did see some blue water balls and things, so anyways, that's what I have in here. Again, I just wanted to keep what was in here and not go and pull a whole fresh of new sticker books. My last sticker book from Wrong Wrong is her Rainbow Essentials. So she does have a page, excuse me, for blue. And for Live Love Posh, so this freed up space in my desk. So now I can keep Live Love Posh down here. And then I can have more space in my desk drawer. So from her, I kept Retro, Holidays, Chic, Winter Blooms, Winter Wonderland, and then her blue Functional Chic sticker book. So that makes it easy. So I may pull more Wrong Wrong. I have a lot of Happy Planner over here, but Happy Planner is my most sticker books. Because I decided to put these slimmer ones over here, and I just kept those in here. I'm trying to see if I can use anything from here. This is a seasonal one. These seasonal ones are going to be the hardest. And then I have like functional ones, my everyday functional ones. So like Mom Life, Household, some fitness ones. This is an essential tracker checklist. This is such a long name for a sticker book. The agenda, this is a great one. Actually, I don't even know if I should keep this because these blues are a little bit darker. This may be just for summer. I may put this one back. Seasonal teacher. Actually, I'm going to put that one back. This Be Bold Fitness, the Happy and Hungry, Mickey, Minnie. Just, I know there's some blue stickers in here, so I'm just going to try to make that work. And then I'm putting all these back, which are a lot of holiday stickers from Happy Planner, Wrong Wrong. So I'm going to put all these back, refresh my washi stand, and I think I should be good to go to start the year off or start a space to plan with my desk being all reset. Okay, here's my washi stand. I pulled all the blue washi that I had and some decorative ones that is an exception and some wellness. And also I decided to pick accents. So we have silver or gold, black, white. So those are exceptions as well. Yep, that's all the blue washi that I picked and pulled down. Oh my gosh, my studio is a complete mess and it's very overwhelming. This is why I need to use up my stash because everything's out of its place, and this is why organization is so important to me, because when things aren't organized and things are just all over the place, my mind does not function well at all. So I really need to get up there and just start getting rid of things and reorganizing stuff, and probably just mix brands, because that's my concern right now with everything. Is just, should I organize by color and don't worry about brands? I think that's easier for me at the moment. But anyways, yep, there's the washi already done. And so stuff that I need to get off my desk that I had was this little container that you guys saw have all these tiny Happy Planner sticker books. That's not going to be my focus right now to use those up because of the planners that I'm using at the moment. These are for a standard vertical. I mean, I know you could get creative and use these in creative spreads, like if you're doing journaling spreads or bullet journaling and stuff. I'm not doing that at the moment, so this is not my focus. So I have all these pens. I have tons of writing pens. Again, this is why I'm going to have to decide on how I'm going to organize this, by color or by brand. But I have a lot of Zebra, I have a lot of Erin Condren, Tombow, just assortment of brands of writing tools. And I love my writing tools. I want to use them. So that's why I'm hoping that this will work. And then I have all these Write Tech. And then mild liners. Oh my gosh, I have so many mild liners. Putting back sticky notes. This might be something I destashed. I didn't really use this. I put this in my new desk space last year. It's like a translucent sticky note. I don't think this is my thing, so I may destash that. And then I have this huge Stony Clover pencil pouch. with just assortment of pens that I have to put up. My daughter gave me a cute neutral, it's black ink, but it's a cute neutral set. Kind of what Rytech does. I think these came off of Shein, but she gave me that in my stocking this year. Really cute. So I'm not going to be using this for pencil pouches. I'm just going to be using this one for my folio. And then in my desk drawer here, I'm trying to keep this straightened. I have planners here that are set for 2024 that I can use. I showed you guys this in a video. These are stickers to set up my planners. Mainly Erin Condren in here, or this stack side. Anyways, I have this other pencil pouch that I got for Christmas that I want to use. So these are the only two that'll be at my desk side to cart around. And this I'm going to put up and put away. Okay friends, so I'm wrapping up this video. I have my desk space all reset and organized how I like it for now. We'll see how this goes. But starting over here, I have all my essential tools over there and trying to use up some sticky notes, all my black pens in this cute little mug, my washi stand, some lotion, and then I have this stand here to use it for whatever that needs a home for the moment. And then all my pens that I pulled, the color that I'm going with this month is blue. My little calendar, my 2 desk calendars. This is just for weekly prep. And then my monthly view. And then we have my small little planner stack, which I love, these are the only 2 planners that I have at the moment that I'll touch on an everyday basis. Once my daily petites come in, I'll be able to set that up. And then I have this cute little pencil pouch to go with the petite planner. And then my desk drawers are pretty much kind of reset and organized. I have this extra space here that I may use for some type of organization, maybe pens, I don't know just yet, but I got all this reset, which was my main goal today. And then underneath my desk I have my planner caddy with the sticker books that I picked and stayed with. I didn't really pull any new ones. And then for this little travel thing, my iPad actually fits in there. Currently my iPad is in there charging, so that's kind of a little bit of a upgrade. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me resetting my desk space and just get everything prepped and ready. I am probably going to tweak some things. I have an extra, my 8 is upside down, this is bugging me. So I was saying I have an extra Alex drawer that may go on this side, so that'll take care of some other space to organize some things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd love to have you here, and I will see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, and Happy New Year.